Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEMYSTYLE, and today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me. Yeah, we're going to do a little something different this time on my channel. I did a poll and asked you guys what you would like to see, and clean and decorate was one of those things. Now guys, I have not been feeling well, so this is not going to be a all pretty clean and decorate with me. I am just getting over COVID, and as you guys know, I recently lost my sister, so this is what you're gonna get today. But I think it will give you some cleaning inspiration and some winter decorating ideas. I love to decorate in black and white, and I use green as my accent color. So this is going to be a simple winter kitchen clean and decorate with me. So if that is something you enjoy, you like watching people clean their homes and decorate, this will be the video for you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. So the first thing I'm doing is cleaning down the kitchen table and the chairs. They all get so dusty and dirty. You guys know I have used velvet chair covers for my chairs, and over the holidays they just got, a little dusty and grimy, so we're giving them a good wipe down. It's not quite time to throw them in the laundry yet, but that will be coming up soon. And I am going to be using a simple white table runner. This table runner came from the old Pier 1 ages and ages ago, and I'm sorry if you hear that noise. It's my laundry upstairs. It likes to make music when the laundry's done. But anyway, we're using this really simple table runner, and then we're going to finish decorating.
People in the bar line, I don't really mind. All the woo girls doing stage dives, I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living.
I'm giving my cookie canisters or serving dishes a good wipe down. As you guys know, I told you I'm getting over COVID, so it's time to clean and sterilize everything in the area to get rid of all the germs.
Everything makes total sense when you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me. Ah.
I used to leave my canisters of flour, sugar, and brown sugar on the counter, but it was starting to look really cluttered to me, so I decided to pare down a few items and I moved those over into the pantry. So I'm wiping down the counter and just putting the cutting boards back in this corner. I like the decor that they give to the corner. It doesn't make it look too cluttered, and I am going to add this little piece of greenery that I picked up from at Lowe's on clearance, to give my kitchen that winter vibe in this area. My dish detergent bottles I got from Amazon. I love the amber colored glass, and I love the labels. They just give it a very modern aesthetic. I will leave a link for them in the description box down below in case you are interested.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid?
The stove area is where mess accumulates the most, so I'm giving this area a good wipe down. Cleaning the cooktop. If you have a glass cooktop, let me know. They are so hard to keep clean, and I am constantly wiping it down. I don't want to let things get cooked on and burned on, because then you'll have an unsightly cooktop, and yeah, that's not a good look, and that's not what I'm trying to have in my kitchen. So I use a cleaner called Ceramibrite, and I use a little scrubber that it comes with, and I just scrub down the cooktop surface, and once I'm done, it looks all good as new again. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what cooktop cleaner you guys use.
Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that.
Now that the stove is all clean, I am adding some towels that I picked up from Home Goods. The matching pair was $6.99 and the one in the middle was $3.99. Now I am moving on to the kitchen counter. We're getting it all nice and clean because it's almost time to decorate. I picked up this vase in a recent shopping haul from Target. It is part of the Threshold collection for spring, and I also picked up the winter greenery from Target. It was part of the 90% clearance. So you not only can use your greenery for the holidays, but you can also use it for your winter decor. So here I am trying to put together an arrangement for the kitchen island. I wasn't quite feeling it, so I did have to fiddle around with it for a little bit until I finally got the look I wanted. But in the end, I think it gave me the perfect look that I wanted for my kitchen for winter. Just something very simple, yet elegant.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when
Now that the arrangement has been put together, I am wiping down the island. I am using some Mrs. Meyer's Snowdrop. It is very refreshing. I love the scent. If you have not tried it, guys, pick you up some Mrs. Meyer's Snowdrop. It is a winter edition fragrance, so you might still be able to find it in stores, but if not, Mrs. Meyer's has some wonderful fragrances that you can try. Now I'm putting back the washed and clean pastry dishes. I picked these up from Z Gallery several years ago. you might still be able to find them, but if not, I would check your local Home Goods because I'm sure they have something similar. And I don't have under cabinet lighting, so in place of having someone come in and do hard wiring, I am using these little puck lights that work very well.
Morning, waking, heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I gotta say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the feelings inside. Finally got made up my mind. Can't go one more day without you.
Now to the task of cleaning the lights above the island. These are always so hard to clean. I always have to use a little step stool because I'm kind of short. I don't know if you guys have that problem. But I have to do this at least once every couple of weeks because they get so dusty and dirty. Now it's time to vacuum. We are done with all the cleaning, so it's time to finish up with a little vacuum, then a quick mop, and yeah, then I'll show you the finished winter kitchen tour.
Heart still aching. Something about the way you make me feel. I don't wanna mess up your night. I don't wanna put up a fight. I don't wanna trouble you, babe. But I got to say, I don't wanna waste no more time trying to shake the fear.
So now we're all done cleaning, and this is how my kitchen looks for winter.
One day without you. Can't go one more day without you. No, no, can't go one more day. No, I can't. One more day without you. Can't go one more day. I can't go one more day without you. No, I can't go one more day.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this simple winter kitchen clean and decorate with me. If so, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love decorating on a budget, and if that is something you are into as well, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the family. This was my first clean and decorate with me. Let me know your comments down below. How do you think I did? Was it something that you would want to see again? Do you enjoy clean and decorate videos? And if so, what area of my house would you like to see me clean and decorate next? I am thinking about doing a clean and decorate in the living room as well as in my lounge. So if that is something you're interested in, please let me know. I would love to do more clean and decorate videos for you, but only if you enjoy them. So that's all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next one.